Loretta Douglas, and I live in Vienna, Virginia. There were many reasons. The biggest was the layout. It was a traditional his and her vanity walk through, and then you go to the shower and the bathtub and closet on the other side, and I did not like the flow. It like messed up the bedroom. So changing the layout was the biggest reason for changing the bathroom, but it was a nice upgrade too. Before the project began, the room was very big and just divided into two different sections essentially, because there was one side of the closet and then you're walking through a walkway to get to the vanity, and then on the other side it's the bathroom, shower and tub and toilet. And so it really just created no opportunity for us to use the space the way we wanted to. There was also no recessed lighting in the room, and so just by changing the layout of the bathroom, it really changed the whole entire bedroom. I did get other estimates. I really enjoyed working with Felice, the designer. She answered a lot of my questions immediately. She was very upfront and honest with her pricing, and was very willing to work with me, basically choosing everything from the tile to the fixtures, and it was great. For me, the biggest issue is making sure that it's right, because I'm not a very visual person. And so she really did go over a lot of stuff with me, and we went through a lot of different choices. And then I think we ended up choosing one tile for the floor, and it was not available. So we had to go and choose another tile, and it actually turned out even better. So I was very happy. Very start to finish, very good about explaining things, how it starts, and asking questions throughout the process. For me, I'm a very detail-oriented person. It was very important for everything to be just right. And so they were very good about prompting me and asking, and before they started working, which is huge. It's hard to say. I just love the entire aesthetic look. It's just very, all of it just works well together. I love the light fixtures. I love the fixtures of the sink, the tub, the flooring, the cabinet. It just all goes well together. So, and I love the layout, which was the whole reason we did it. My project manager was Idris, and he did such a great job managing everything from start to finish. Everything was seamless, and he was great about following up and making sure that I was happy. Very, very happy with the end result, and I would absolutely 100% recommend them. We're gonna do our kitchen in a few years, so I'll be giving them a call.